are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Be Your Best with JK. So today's video is all about recreating this look of Jacqueline Fernandez from the song Pani Pani, and this look is really amazing and I'm just loving this look. And here's the comparison of my recreation versus the original one, and let's know how I recreated it. So first I followed my daily skincare routine and just prepped my face with and moisturized it properly, and now I am just applying the primer all over my face, especially under the eye area and the areas where I have uneven skin, so that I can get a beautiful smooth base for my makeup. And here you can see the clear difference after applying the face primer. Wow, just smooth out. And now I'm just filling out my brows. I'm not filling that much or making it shaped. I'm just filling on only the sparse areas so that my eyebrows can look really sharp and properly fit. So that is the reason. So like this I just filled both my brows. Yo, I love this. So my skin was really bad while recording this video, so I have to do corrections all over my face really well. So first I corrected my redness, and then with the orange corrector I corrected all my darkness on my face and blending it well with the beauty blender. Now I'm using a contour stick so that I can give a very chiseled look and sharp look to my face, as her face is really sharpened. Almost her face is really sharp, but her makeup plays a very important role in just giving her face a shape. So after that I just applied a yellow color corrector to just brighten out my high points, and then I just applied the foundation all over my face and blending it well with the beauty blender. So just applying the cream just concealer all over my high points and blending it well with the beauty blender. All the products are mentioned in the description box, so must check them out. Now I pat the compact powder, not compact, loose powder actually, and just after this shot I got electricity cut, so yeah, recording was stopped. So here's the look after the setting with the compact or loose powder. And now I'm using the same concealer, cream concealer all over my eyelids to create a beautiful base, and just setting it with the compact after blending with the beauty blender so that it can't move and just create a smooth base. So now I am mixing the orange and brown shades from the Hilary Rhoda palette as usual, and then using all the brown shades I have in the palette to just create that smoky effect. But I am just creating that thing which was her on makeup, that is hollow from middle and just smoked out from the outer corner and just highlighted from the inner corner, so we are creating that effect. So on the crease I am using the darkest brown shades whatever I have in the palette, just similar to her shades, and then blending it well with the brushes on the lower eyelashes also, don't forget them, and blend them. Blending is the key, just you can just do. And this is the neutral shade which I am applying on the eyelids, and this is the neutral shade which I use to blend all the harsh lines all over my eyeshadows. And then I am using a smoky eyeliner technique. The video is also uploaded on my YouTube channel, you can check it, the link is in the description. So yeah, just apply the kohl pencil or just blend it well with the brush. I use pencil brush actually. So here is the look which I created. So now I just highlighted my brow bone with the highlighter from the same Hilary Rhoda palette and just inner corners also, and applying the kohl pencil in the waterline, black kohl. This one is the intense one, make sure your kohl pencil is intense one, else this look will not be that good. Now I just curled my eyelashes and applied lots of mascara, because this is the thing which is doing the magic in the whole look. And after that I am applying the highlighter in the middle of the eyelids. As I told you, her eyes are hollow from the within, but smoky when she opened the eyes. So yeah, just to bring back that black eyeliner, I just applied the black eyeshades on the eyeliner and just applied the false eyelashes off camera. And now I'm just contouring my face really well, because to give that Banjara and smoky look, her face is really, sharp and tanned kind of makeup. So it looks really well when you just contour the face with that smoky eye looks, especially the brown smoky eye looks. So contour your face really well, and to just give that smoky tan look, I am using the powder contour instead of cream contour, because I used cream contour under my foundation. That was the reason. And just contoured my nose also to give that really sharp look. And now I'm using a red blush to also enhance the smokiness and tan look on my face. So applying the highlighter over my high points of the face. This is really important, as your face will not catch the exact light. And now I'm applying the exact same shade which I had already, and this is my favorite. This is lipstick from My Glam actually, from shade number Hookup. And now after that, I just set my entire face with this setting spray and applied, just made the bindis over my face like hers with the liquid eyeliner. And here is the look after the makeup, and now after putting the jewelry and making the hairs, here is the final look. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts after watching my recreation of this look, and you want to see the comparison. And here it is. Let me know if I recreated it well in the comments box. I'm waiting for your comments. Do comment and let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and hope to meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and God bless you all. Bye bye.